Hi and welcome. How are you doing? I'm doing fine. The weather it's really nice. It's sunny and it's warm. So let's jump into this video. How to transform this daylight picture into a night edit with Photoshop. So let's begin by adding an adjustment layer, and we're going to pick here hue and saturation. Now we're going to reduce the saturation to around -70 to have more of a black and white look. The next step is going to be to add a color lookup layer. So click on color lookup, and here we're going to click here and we're going to choose night from day cube. There we go. And now the next step is going to be to add a levels layer. Here we're going to scroll down, and here we're going to enter comma 85. There we go. And here we're going to add 190. For your picture, the values can be different, so test until you find something you like. Now we are done with that. We're going to select again our background layer, our house. And now let's go to select and select sky. So now we are selecting our sky. And here we go. Photoshop has selected the sky. Now we're going to scroll up and we're going to make this layer visible. We're going to click on it. And here we're going to make a layer mask. And here we go. We have ourselves a really nice night edit. And here's a before and after. So I press on the Alt key and I click on this eye. That's a before and that's an after. I hope you liked this video. If you did, a subscription would be illuminating. And take care of yourself.